So some of the more advances in orthopedic foot and ankle surgery is making things minimally invasive, allowing our patients to rehab very quickly and safely. One of the more advanced things we're doing here at Ohio State is a lateral ligament reconstruction. People that sprain their ankles too much or too often, we're now reconstructing that ligament in a way that makes it almost as strong as the native ligament the day they walk out of the hospital. So those patients are actually walking out of the hospital the day of surgery. Yes, they have a boot on, but they are walking, putting weight on it, allowing them to get back to full activity at 6 weeks and full contact sports at 8 weeks. This is unheard of in previous repair techniques and into the historical norms. The second one we're working on is the heel spur. Oftentimes people have that heel spur that goes into their Achilles. The surgery historically was a very large incision. What we're doing now is 4 small micro incisions, taking down the bone spur and then repairing the Achilles tendon through very small incisions, minimally invasive with no surgical knots. These patients, again, they're walking out of the hospital that day with crutches. They're done with the boot in a few weeks. Their early accelerated rehabilitation after these complex surgeries are really what's cutting the edge in foot and ankle today.